Hello everyone. So we are on the JavaScript official documentation page. So here a lot of resources are available, but beginner developer gets confused where to refer and where to exactly start studying. So I will give a short introduction to how we can refer the documentation part. So see here some feature articles are there. We will not go into that first. We will see what is present in the reference part. So this is the reference part and this is the JavaScript section. So in this section, first the introduction to JavaScript is given, what exactly is JavaScript, and then after that uh, we will start with the tutorial part where you can like read the documentation as well as code along. Like there will be some practice code examples and some short projects which you have to do in the tutorial parts. And after that there is a JavaScript guide. In this a lot of tutorials are not there, but it is the in-depth preview of all the different features of JavaScript, like expressions, indexing, promises. And then there is a intermediate JavaScript where you will be knowing about the JavaScript frameworks, the JavaScript web APIs, and also the data structure is there. So reference has a lot of stuff which you can read regarding the JavaScript. And there is one guide section. In this section, it shows all the JavaScript content which has tutorials and all that. So again the JavaScript basics, building blocks, all are there, and the client side also is included with that. So we'll focus on the references part. Okay, so we will just go through what JavaScript is. So JavaScript is lightweight. It is interpreted or just-in-time compiled language with first-class functions. You can refer if you have any doubt with what it is given, like what is first class, what is just-in-time. While it is one of the most well-known scripting language for web pages, many non-browser environments also use it, such as Node.js, Apache. All this also use JavaScript. JavaScript is a prototype-based multi-paradigm, a single-threaded dynamic language supporting object-oriented features, imperative and declarative. Declarative is like functional programming. You can Google this stuff if you are confused about any of the word, like what is single-threaded. Okay, so this was the introduction. We can go through. You can go through it. Then we will go to the JavaScript basics. So again, it tells about the JavaScript part.